Hi guys, welcome to my channel on TD Made Easy. If you're new, can you please subscribe to my channel? Today we'll be looking at involute of a circle. Definition. The involute of a circle is the path traced by the free end of a thread as it unwound from the circle. Now you can see a picture of an involute. We can have involute of a circle, involutes of polygons, be it pentagon, octagon, hexagon, and even a triangle. So when you try to unfold a thread from a circle, it is called involute. So now we can see the application of involute as it is used in gear industries. It is used to make the teeth for two revolving gears, and it helps to transmit power smoothly during rolling action. Example 1. Draw the involute of a circle with a given radius of 25 mm and construct tangents and normal to a point P on the curve, taking your initial position from the top. The first thing to do is to draw your circle, bring out your compass, and measure the radius. The radius is 25 mm, that is 2.5 centimeter. So measure your radius and draw the circle. So the next thing is to divide the circle into 8 or 12 equal parts. You can check in my videos, you see how to divide a circle into 8 or 12 equal parts. So move on to the next step. You number the divisions from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Point 0 is still the same as your point 8. So now we need to draw tangential line. Tangential line is the line that touches the circle at a point, and at that point is making 90 degrees. So now we are going to draw a tangential line at each of the divisions. So we are going to draw it at point 0 at division 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I'm going to start. You bring out your set square. You need your set square to draw your tangential line. So the first thing, place it at point 0, bring out your pencil and draw the line. So we'll take it to the next point. Bring out your set square again. And you position it at division 1. So let me show you how to do it properly. Bring out your set square, position it at division 1. We are done with division 0. Make sure it's making 90 degrees at that point. So I'm going to pick my pencil and draw the line. So project the line. Use a thin line, that is construction line. So this is my line at point 1. So the next thing, you take it to point 2, division 2. You repeat the same process. Just place your set square at division 2. Ensure it's making 90 degrees. That's what makes it tangential. So from point 2, you project your line, your tangential line. From there, we'll move on to division 3. Then you also place your set square at division 3. Make sure it's forming 90 degrees at that point. Bring your pencil and project your tangential line outward. So this is division 3. I'll take it to the next one, division 4. You also repeat the same step. Place the set square. Make sure it's touching the point at 90 degrees. Then you project your line. From there, you move on to division 5. This is division 5. Place the set square at division 5. To make 90 degrees, use your pencil to project the line. Project the tangential line. Okay, so we move on to division 6. At division 6, you do the same thing. You place your set square at point 6. Then you project your line. Okay, next one is division 7. Okay, we are done with 6. Go to division 7. Now, when you get to division 7, you position it this way. You bring your set square, position, let it touch the division, and it's all at the same time making 90 degrees. From there, you project your line outward. Then for division 8 or point 0, we've already drawn that. That was where we started from. So I can now remove my set square. Then the next thing to do, bring out your ruler one more time. Now you bring your compass. Take the radius from 0 to 1. Take the radius from 0 to 1. The radius you have from 0 to 1 is the same as 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 6 to 8, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, and 7 back to 0. Now, center at point 0. Mark off 8 equal divisions. We are marking 8 equal divisions because the circle was divided into 8 equal parts. So you mark off 8 equal divisions using any of these. So you can pick the distance from 0 to 1, you can pick 1 to 2, you can pick any, then you mark off 8 equal divisions. When you're done with that, the next thing is to start bringing out the points for the involute. So I'm going to start with division 1. Now you bring your compass. You can do this better using your compass. So I'm using a ruler on this board, but you can as well use your compass to get the same results. Now, if you're using your ruler, take the radius from 0 to 1. The radius from 0 to 1, on my ruler, I have 1.5. So you can as well use your compass to pick the radius from 0 to 1. Now, center at 1. Using that 1.5, center at 1, you strike an arc on line 1. When you strike an arc on line 1, you asterisk the points where you have you asterisk the points where you have the distance, the radius. So now I have it at 1.5. So I measured 1.5 on line 1. I did this on line 1 because I took the radius from 0 to 1. So I'm going back to the next one. I want to place my ruler again on 0 to 2. 0 to 2. This is 0 to division 2. From 0 to division 2, I have 3 centimeters. Center at division 2. Using the radius from 0 to 2, I will strike an arc on line 2. So you can use your compass to do this better. So now I want to take the radius from 0 to 3. 0 to 0.3. Now from 0 to 0.3, I have on the scale, I have 4.5. Center at 0.3, you strike an arc on line 3 because we picked the radius from 0 to 3. So you strike your arc. From there, you move on to line 4. So I'm picking radius 0 to 4. Radius 0 to 4. So I'll put my ruler on 0. I'll take the radius from 0 to division 4. 0 to division 4, I have 6 centimeters. I have 6 centimeters. Center at division 4. Using radius 6 centimeters, I'll mark my point. The next one is division 5. 0 to division 5. So I'm taking my measurements from 0 to division 5. 0 to division 5, I have 7.5. 7.5. So center at 5 using 7.5. Using 7.5, I'll mark off the distance on line 5 because I took the radius from 0 to 5. So I'll mark off on line 5. The next thing is to take it to 6. So I'm picking from 0 to division 6. 0 to division 6, I have 9 centimeters. So I'll place it on line 6, pick the radius, which is 9 centimeters, then I'll mark it. That gives me the point on line 6. Next thing is division 7. Division 7. So I'll place it from 0 to division 7. 0 to division 7, I have 10.5. Center at 7. Center at 7, I'll mark 10.5 on line 7. The last one is 0 to 8. So I don't need to mark 0 to 8 because it's still going to fall at the same point. So when I take radius from 0 to 8, it gives me what? 12. So it's already on that point. So this is my last point. So when I'm starting from 0. I will start connecting. You can connect using your French curve. That gives you a smooth curve. So you connect from 0, you join it to 1, you join it to 2, join it to 3, to 4, 5, 6, 7, and you end it at division 8. Make sure you use a French curve in order to get a smooth curve. Use a French curve to get a smooth curve. So now, at the end of the day, you have a curve that looks this way, that looks like this. The next thing I want to do is to construct tangent and normal to this curve. This is my involute. This is my involute. I want to construct a tangent and normal to the involute. So now, to construct a tangent and normal at a point P on the curve. So I'm going to select a point. So I'm selecting this point as my point P. So let me type point P. So this is my chosen point P on the curve. Now you need to connect. Let me name the center of the circle O. The center of the circle, I want to name it as center O. Okay, so now you need to join O to P. Join the center, from the center of the circle, draw a line to the chosen point. This is the point I picked, point P. So I'm connecting a line from the center of a circle to point P. So you bring out your ruler, draw a line from the center of the circle to point P. After you've drawn the line, you need to bisect line OP. Bring out your compass and bisect line OP. Don't forget, when you're bisecting, you pick a radius that is more than half of line OP. Center at point O. Strike an arc. Strike an arc above Okay, strike an arc above, and you also strike it below. I'll take it to point P. Strike another arc to cut the first one above. Repeat it below. So I think I can join the point of intersection together with a line. So I'll join the point of intersection, join it together with a line. The bisector is this line, the line that goes through the arcs, the intersecting arcs. So the next thing is to draw a semicircle. Pick your compass and take the radius from O to the bisector. From O, from the bisector, yes. Radius from the bisector to O, or radius from the bisector to P. They are the same. I need to adjust my compass. Okay. All right, so now I can draw my semicircle. So the semicircle cuts the base circle at a point. This is the base circle. That's the initial circle and the semicircle. So the point where the base circle cuts the initial circle you draw a line to point P from that point, and that line is called the normal. This is the point. So I'm going to draw a line. I want to use another color. So I want to draw a line from the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection of the semicircle and the base circle. So the line drawn from that point to point P is called the normal. In order to draw the tangents, you can use a set square to bring out the tangents. You can also use your compass to draw arcs. So I want to start, so from point P, I want to use the arc method. From point P, I'll draw I'll just pick any radius, any convenient radius, then I'll draw an arc from point P. So now this is the arc. From here, I'll construct angle 60 degrees. Don't forget, when you're constructing angle 60 degrees, you're using the same radius of the given arc. So you strike an arc this way. One. I'll also take it to this point to construct another 60 degrees. So this is another arc. Now I have 2 points. From here to here, I have 60 degrees. From here to here, I also have 60 degrees. And the third one will also be 60 degrees because angle in a triangle, in a circle gives, in a semicircle gives 180 degrees. So now we have to bisect 60 degrees to get 90. I want to bisect this, so I'll strike an arc. I'll take it to the next second point, strike another arc. Now I can connect point P to the point of intersection. That gives me 90 degrees. And that gives me the tangents. So the line drawn from P to the point of intersection is called the tangents. So I can extend this line to the other side. So this is my tangent. And this is the normal. So this is how to construct a tangent and normal to an involute.